With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hey students, so today's question is, there are n urns containing n+1 balls such that the ith term urn contains I white balls and n+1 minus I red balls. So this is white balls and this is red balls, and it is containing, that is, it occurs in the n urns. This is what is urns. Let ui be event of selecting ith urn. I is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to n, and w denotes the event of getting a white ball. So w what denotes? W denotes the event of getting white ball. So in this question, it's the most important and easiest thing that we do not have to assume what is w, what is e, and what is s. We just have given this w denotes this, ui denotes this, etc. So if p of ui, that is probability of ui, is proportional, directly proportional to I, where I is what? 1, 2, 3 up to n, then limit n tending towards infinity pw is equals to. So we need to find that. So first of all, we have p of I, that is what is p of ui, sorry, p of ui. This is what is p of ui, is directly proportional to I. What is this? I, where I is what? 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. So you can say that p of ui, when you have is equals to sign, then you have to put some constant here. So let it be lambda I, where I again belongs to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. But you know that summation of p of ui, I is equals to 1 to n is what? 1. Because you know that the sum of the probability is always 1. Therefore, sum of I is equals to 1 to n, lambda I, because this is what is p of I is equals to what? Lambda times of I is equals to 1, which is, you can say that lambda times of I is something but n into n plus 1 by 2. Why? Because I is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n, and the sum of these series is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is what is equals to n, 1. So you can say that the value for lambda will be what? Lambda will be 2 upon n into n plus 1. This is the value for lambda. Now we have given that p of w, that denotes white ball actually. P of w denotes the event of getting a white ball. That is p of I is equals to 1 to n ui intersection w. That is using total probability theorem. Using total probability theorem. So this will be p of w is equals to summation of I is equals to 1 to n, and this is what ui intersection w. This can be written as p of ui into p of w by ui. So p of w as it is, summation I is equals to 1 to n. P of ui is nothing but lambda times of I. So putting the value lambda times of I, and p of w by ui will be I upon n plus 1. This will be the value for p of w. So this will be lambda upon n plus 1 again into I, because you have just multiplied it. And again you have sum of I is equals to 1 to n. So you can put again the value for here. This will be lambda times of n plus 1 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So p of w is equals to 2n plus 1, because n plus 1 is cancelled. 2n plus 1 divided by 3 into n plus 1 here. This will be, we have given limit of pw n tending towards infinity. That means the value of n tending towards infinity. So you can say that limit n tending towards infinity 2n plus 1 divided by 3n plus 3, because we have just multiplied 3 inside the bracket, which is nothing but 2 by 3. This will be your answer when limit n tending towards infinity. 2 by 3, and option number B is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.